Something that really stuck out to me when coming to VCU was when I heard Dr. Rao talk about experiential learning. Learning through your experiences, hands-on activities outside of the academic setting. We're always facilitating our own journeys through our experiences. For me as a future physician, I have to learn to distinguish and acknowledge my unconscious biases to better prepare and support my patient. And being able to see the person for who they are, I think that's really key. Being culturally competent and things like that, and to be truly empathetic towards the patient and looking at them as human beings. That's why I want to continue doing what I do, because I'm a lifelong learner and I want to continue to impact others in the future and in the long run.